Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, inside this lecture we are going to discuss about the external method of CSS. In our last two classes we have discussed about inline method, internal method, but inside this lecture we will discuss about external method, how we can use CSS externally. Go to file menu and save as this file to create a separate file, external dash method .html. You can just save this method. Let me just check the spelling. .html. I have just saved this. Now I'm just going to remove this from here and CSS external method. You can save and preview from here or go to the folder and you can just check this. Hi web designers, welcome to my website. We have a heading to take here. Now I want to use CSS externally just as a separate file. So this is very easy. You can just inside this head tag you can use another tag, this called link tag, and this a single tag. So if you don't know about double or single tag or some basic tags, you can just take my HTML5 and CSS3 course. This can just solve your problem. So link is a single tag, and here we will just apply relationship. You can just say style sheet. This means the type of file. We're going to link a CSS file just as a separate file. So the type of CSS file is called, or you can say the type of CSS file is style sheet file. And here you can just say a href hypertext reference. We're just going to create another file, style.css, just style.css. Now you can just go to file menu and create a new file, or you can just use the shortcut Ctrl+N and Command+N for Mac users. Write anything. I have written here CSS, and you can just press Ctrl+S to save this file here. Just give the same name, style.css. The type of file is CSS, so the name of this file is style and the type is .css. Save this. Now what we have done here, inside this external method.html we have a link tag. So we have just inside hypertext reference style.css. So that's why I have created here another file, just a separate file for my CSS, style.css. I have given the name here. Whatever you are giving the name here, you must give the name here. For example, the name of this file, suppose that this not style.css, this just maybe this test.css, this just wahi.css, this just anything.css. So you must give that name here, and .css is necessary. So for right now here, so we have just a heading to take here. I'm just going to select this heading to take here inside this file and a curly braces. The color of this should be something maybe like brown. You can save, go to your browser. Now you can see without refreshing it is in brown color. Let me just zoom it. You can just say the background color, let me just say yellow color. Save, and now you can see this yellow. You can say just text align center, text align center. You can save and see the preview. Now it's just in center. It means this just working perfectly. Let me just once again let me explain for you. We have created a new file by pressing Ctrl+N. You can just create from here, or Command+N on Mac, and you can just click here. And I have just given the name of this file style.css. You can see it is written here style.css, and very simple, I have just linked this here style.css here inside the link tag. So I hope that you are understand how we can use CSS externally. So let me just give one more example. For example, we have a p tag, or you can say article tag here. So hi My name is Abdulwahid. I am a web designer, web developer, and SEO expert. Just this much is enough here. Now you can just save this, go to your browser and refresh. So you can see this a simple text without any formatting. Now I'm just going to select this article tag inside this CSS file. So select the article and open these curly braces. You can say just the font, you can say font size. For this you can select maybe 33px. You can save and you can see it's 33px. The text color you can see blue color. Save and see the preview. Now it's in blue color. You can see the text dash decoration. You can say just underline, save, and now you can see this totally underlined. So it means this working. So we have just discussed about CSS method in three ways: inline, internal, external. So this is the last class that we are discussing about this, and we are going to end this video here. So before moving to the next lecture, before moving to the new topic, I'm just requesting you that please do practice. Do not ignore any of these videos if you want to learn CSS like a professional. Just go to work and just create a file for inline method, internal method, external method. You need to just practice all these things to just learn better in better ways. If you want to just learn like a professional, you need to just do some practice. You really need to do some practice. So this is just my idea that if you are doing practice, you will learn 100 times better. So I hope that you have enjoyed from watching this video. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time and see you.